Hello everyone, this is Nuran Faizawishi. So today we have come to Kazirbag Eco Park to perform our outdoor class. Today our topic is nature and environment. So let's get started, Maria.
Okay. Can you enjoy this place?
Yes, I do really enjoy the weather. The weather is hot, but I enjoy this.
Do you know how can planting trees help climate change?
Yes, trees usually absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and trees also help to prevent soil erosion. So that's how planting trees can help combat climate change.
Thanks for informing that.
Hello Dishi, how are you?
I'm fine.
How do you feel coming here?
I feel so good.
Okay, what do you think? What's the weather like in Feni City?
Feni is usually hot and humid with heavy rain in the monsoon and mild winters.
Okay, thank you for telling me this. Do you like the weather here?
Yeah.
Do you feel hot? Do you feel hot?
Yeah.
Okay, I also feel hot, and the sun is really rising over our head. That's why. Do you know how does the weather of Feni impact its natural environment?
Yeah, I think the
Okay.
hot climate also supports animals and plants, but floods happen in rainy season. No one weather in permanent in Penny. It also changes.
Okay, thank you. Do you see the flowers over here?
Yeah, I see this. I like
Do you
it.
like this?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, me too. They are so cool, aren't they?
Yeah, I like.
Okay, tell me, what is the effect of climate change to the Feni?
Climate change causes higher temperature and more folding, affecting flaming and like. So I have a question for you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so tell me, what are the effects of depression in the local area?
Okay, cutting trees leads to soil loss.
Yes.
Okay, animal habitat destruction, and it's best for climate change.
Hey, stop.
Yes.
I have a question. Do you know our environment changing rapidly?
Yeah, I agree. Which kind of problem you say?
Recently, we have some natural disasters like flood, cyclone, earthquake, and some of us man-made.
Yes, I agree that because recently we have phases already faults and some other disasters.
So this is the ending part of our outdoor session, and we have enjoyed a lot here, and we have gotten so many new experience here, and thanks to Munai. Stay with Munai, and thanks for watching.